Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we are going to walk you through the step-by-step process on how to install and set up your Agile Actions Automation for workflow apps. Once on your account, head over to App Marketplace, click on it, search for your app and click on Install. Right here, click on Allow and Install. Once your app has successfully been installed, you're going to refresh your tab and click on the custom page. Then the interface of the app is going to pop up where you have access to your documentation. Under the tutorials, you're going to have access to the SmartQ video that is going to serve as a guideline on how to get the necessary credentials. Once you're here, you're going to scroll down and click on Settings. Click on API Settings. And you're going to copy your API key. Click on Copy. Head over back to your account. Click on Start Setup. You're going to paste your API key. Head over back to your account online. Click on Company Settings and copy your account URL. Head over back to your account and paste your account URL. Once you're done, click on Complete Setup. There we go. Our app has successfully been connected and set up. We equally have the Support Center. At the Law Support Center, you can create a ticket for our support team, or you can book a call with our support team. We have the changelog. Here, you're going to see the necessary notifications concerning the new updates and the changes of this app. In order for you to receive these notifications, you're simply going to toggle on the notification button, enter your email, and click on subscribe. You're all set. If you have any questions or need help, our support team is available 24/7. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.